everyone's excited. I was excited myself today when I smelled the lobster cooking in the air, and I was like, it begins.
This is my first day of lobster. I got like 14 more days to go, and we're happy. Everything's stressful, but the lobster for the elders are gone out, so we're good. And we have half an hour. We're good. We're doing good. We're gonna make it. So far, I have 125. We'll probably have like 150 to give out, and there's 2 lobster per bag.
Eeuwen. Oh, moet je kan je hè? Gotta get up.
You're just a young spring chicken. Let that guy have a
Go ahead, Caitlin. Let me see if you're eligible.
Chicken or kicking?
chicken.
Yeah, I didn't get no tag.
I told him to throw a chance for not. I'm a grandmother. Missy had her baby. Thank you.
That's
You're
so sweet.
All right, Allen. Would you eat them up?